Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're talking about translating a figure in the coordinate plane. Let's get right to it. So we have a triangle here, triangle A, B, C. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to move this triangle. We'll take that out. We're trying to move the triangle 3 units left. I'm going to stop right there because I don't want to try and do 2 movements at once. What people try to do is 3 units left, 4 units down, and then they start to forget what they're doing. So let's start with just one at a time. So 3 units left. Well, here's 1 unit. 1, 2, 3. What that means is we're going to take point A, and it ends up here, as the image of A. Now, I'm not going to go any further because I now know I have to go 4 units down. So that means I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4 units down. Now, this is the new or the second image of A. That's how I'm going to write that. So what are the coordinates of the image? Well, the image is this shape, but in a different spot. Well, the different spot is 3 units left, then 4 units down. I've moved 1 point. We have a choice. We can either do the same thing and figure out where B goes, or we can use A as kind of what I call the anchor. What I like to do is the anchor. What I know is here's A, and I didn't make this any bigger, I didn't make it any smaller, I didn't make any changes, I didn't twist it, I didn't do anything like that. So I know C is 1, 2, 3 units to the right. So I go 1, 2, 3 units to the right, and here's the image of C after the 2 movements. Now from C, I know B is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there's my image of B. Now I have my new triangle. Now that I know where my triangle is, all I had to do is move 1 point. All the other points have to come with it. Think about it this way. I've got my tape here. If I'm moving this point, the only way to not move that point but move everything else is to rotate around it. Otherwise, when I move this point, the whole thing comes with it. And if I don't change its orientation, every point on this tape measure moves the exact same distance as this 1 point. So I'm going to use that to my advantage to move 1 point, then figure out where the figure is. Now I can say A image, or the image of A, ended at -4, -3, so -4, -3. The image of B, or the second image of B, we'll just say that because it's the second image. So after the second movement, second image of B is at -1, 0. And then the second image of C is at -1, -3. -1, -3. And there's our answer. Now pause the video and copy what is on your screen into your notebook. Now that you're back, anytime you have to rewatch the video for clarity to remember something, you need to write what you picked up into your notes. Use arrows, circles, shapes, pictures, memes, whatever else you need to, but add notes to make them yours. Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, always remember that you're in school, and when you're learning, it's all about understanding the process, never just about the answer. We'll see you tomorrow.